The STC portable rain barrels are an innovative solution for collecting rainwater for personal use. Why choose a portable rain barrel? The compact design allows for even the largest rain barrels to fit easily into your trunk, or back seat when transporting, or garage or shed during winter months when in storage. The portable rain barrel is designed also for quick and easy setup and breakdown. Setup is easy. Just insert the support legs into the built-in sleeves around the diameter, and it is then ready to use. These barrels are available in 52, 104, 156, 200, and 250-gallon capacities, giving you the flexibility to choose how much rainwater you would like to collect. The barrels are manufactured from a highly durable, puncture, water, and UV-resistant 3-layer material, shown here in forest green. The mesh panel on top of the lid allows for additional water collection. There are 2 ways to access the collected water. The first is by unzipping the large diameter lid, which will allow you to dip your watering can or bucket into the rain barrel. The second is to connect the spigot to a standard garden hose or drip irrigation system. The overflow valve enables the excess water to divert outside of the barrel and can create a daisy chain effect with additional rain barrels to maximize water collection. The barrel comes with an extra black connector hose, which allows you to do this. The diverter that allows you to capture rainwater directly from the gutter is installed very easily, simply by drilling into the gutter and inserting the diverter. The STC portable rain barrels are flexible, durable, and simply the most efficient and productive way to capture rainwater. STC portable rain barrels are the originals. Your own private cloud.